It's a drift car.
No, it's fucking garbage.
Is it video mode?
So, we're gonna go get a new car right now.
Yeah.
Robert's driving a truck. Thanks, Matt, for letting us borrow your truck.
Thank you, Maddie.
Thanks to me, Christian, at MostXXDope on Instagram, for coming through with.
Just put it on the screen.
Well, I'm doing it now, but thanks to me for letting us borrow the trailer that I'm really sketched out on Robert fucking driving because he ran over my grandparents' center divider at their house taking it out.
It wasn't a center divider,
And,
it was a side divider. It's just
I don't give a fuck, you still ran it over, alright? And I'm literally watching that, just like the wheel well just ride on the grass. But it's okay, it's fine.
This was like me
It's
with a wide
fine.
body car, right?
It's fine. But I mean, oh look, there's me. What's up? But
So yeah, we out here. We about to go pick up another car. I'm not gonna tell you what it is until we get there. I'm just gonna show you, and
it's a Lambo.
it's a bucket.
It's a bucket Lambo.
It's terrible. It's a piece of work. So I think in the beginning it's gonna be more of a rebuild series of the car because the car doesn't run. But I picked up the car for $50.
Literally $50.
Yeah, you can't deny a car for $50. But yeah, this car is basically gonna be used for a drift build. So drift video is coming this summer. I'll tell you that. What a dick.
Alright, update guys.
We got the car.
We got a car.
We're not gonna tell you
There's
what it
a
is,
glimpse. There's a glimpse,
Yeah,
but
you're
we're
not gonna know what it is, but if you can tell from what it is just looking at back, then you know. If you know, you know. If not,
But if you know, you know. Don't comment it like a smartass in the comments. Just stay silent.
I'll show you the end of this video when I get home and put it in the garage and all that. But so we got there. The car was a little bit more trash than we thought. And I was originally gonna pay $50 for it. I was thinking, I was like, am I really gonna want to spend $50 for this car right now? Because it was pretty bad. Someone broke into his backyard, bashed the window in. It's missing half the motor, missing the front end, dented trunk, missing the rear bumper, missing the taillight. I can go on and on and on. But
The tranny.
yeah, tranny's in the trunk of.
We edit that out. You edit that out.
The tranny's in the trunk of the car. Yeah, that's all I got. The tranny's in the trunk of the car. And I was really thinking, I was like, dude, I drove all the way out here. I'm not sure if I really want to buy this after all. He was like, you know what, bro? You can just have it for free. So I got this car for free.
Pulling up to the house with the car.
About to get my mom's reaction because I think she might kick me out for this one. I'm kind of nervous. Kind of got butterflies. Oh shoot, she's outside.
Oh fuck. Oh god.
No, I just turned it on.
Here's our fucked up Miata.
Hey, dude, that motor's done.
Oh, I know it's done. We're gonna swap it anyways. What do you think about it?
That thing's fucked up. Like,
Hey, it was worth. It was free though.
oh,
He gave it.
$50.
Yep, gave it to us for free.
Shit.
Who likes this piece of shit?
Not Eddie.
None of us.
None of us? Yeah, Chris, you like that shit?
I don't like it because it's mine. I'm sorry ahead of time. Huh? Hurry up! I did a thing.
You're gonna make me kick your ass.
This one you might actually.
Please do, yeah. Like,
Watch the
You
dance.
let him?
I wasn't here earlier.
Did you go with him?
I did not.
I'm 100% confident you're going to be mad about this one. Come on.
I want to sit and watch. I don't want to be part of this.
What the fuck is that?
Just come look. Don't open it yet. Don't open it. Don't open it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Yay! Oh, jeez. Mommy. Hurry up.
A Miata thing?
A Miata thing?
A Miata thing.
A Miata thing? You gotta get closer.
Yeah, get closer.
Make sure you're close.
Oh my fucking goodness.
I will tell you it is a thing. All right, go.
A boat?
Ah!
Oh my fucking goodness, you're kidding me.
Guess how much you paid for it?
Wait, we don't guess that part yet.
You have lost your motherfucking mind.
Yes, he has!
You have lost your motherfucking mind, Robert. You can't have this shit out here.
Look at this site, Mom.
That's why the tarp's on it.
Look at this beautiful car. It's fantastic.
Oh my
See the engine?
The transmission's right. The transmission's right here.
The transmission's in the back.
Mom, you wanna go for a ride? We can push you.
We'll push you down the road. Ow!
Or you can Flintstone it with your feet.
Robert, you're fucking nuts.
It's a drift car.
No, it's fucking garbage. Mondo,
I wasn't there. Don't blame me.
I was.
There's
the people who
no
were there left.
fucking engine.
There's half an engine right there. Those are the cylinders, the injectors, the head studs, the belt. The radiator hose is somewhere over there.
Robert, you brought home fucking garbage.
Dude, look, the brake master cylinder is all good too. Perfectly intact. The brakes work. The e-brake works. The front brakes work. It's got tires and wheels and air in it.
It's probably easier to tell you what works than what doesn't work at the moment.
Yeah.
The front bash thing works. Weight reduction, no fenders. That's just better airflow.
Mom, we gotta.
This is for aerodynamics. Oh, that's a thing. Ow. Okay, that's a thing.
It's not supposed to be facing that way.
This
There's the rest of the mirror.
is illegal.
My AC works.
What?
The AC?
Fucking Lord.
Dude, I got a horn.
Oh my Lord.
Wait to hear what you paid for it.
Do you even have a fucking license plate?
There's no license plate?
License plate's no bumper.
Oh, there's no license plate.
You've lost your motherfucking mind.
Mom, you're lucky there's wheels on there.
You see the steering wheel?
What steering wheel?
The right.
The wrench, the vice grip.
You don't even have a fucking shifter.
It's in the trunk. It's right there. I don't have windows. Fluid.
Did somebody write sucker over your fucking head right before you went?
Hey, it's a good looking taillight.
You fall asleep. I'm getting black eyeliner and I'm gonna write fucking sucker on your forehead. Robert.
Mom, calm down. He gave it to me for free. I didn't even pay for it. I didn't even pay for it.
That's the weirdest she's gonna get right now.
I didn't pay for it, okay?
Robert,
I got it for free.
this is garbage.
Dude, it's
Told
it's my garbage.
My garbage.
I can do that too, woman. Two can play at that game. Yeah, you keep putting stuff in my garage, I'm gonna keep putting cars in the house. Yeah, the more stuff you bring, the more cars I'm gonna buy.